Welcome back to our channel, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the history books to explore the most famous car models that have left an indelible mark on the automotive landscape. Get ready to rev your engines as we count down the top 5 iconic cars that changed the game. Number 5, we have the Ford Model T. A true pioneer in the automotive world, the Model T revolutionized transportation with its affordability and assembly line production, making car ownership accessible to the masses. Number 4, we have the Volkswagen Beetle. Affectionately known as the Bug, this quirky little car captured hearts worldwide with its iconic design and unmatched reliability. From its origins in pre-war Germany to becoming a symbol of counterculture in the 1960s, the Beetle has earned its place in automotive history. Number 3, we have the Porsche 911. A true sports car icon, the 911 has been thrilling drivers for over half a century with its rear-engine layout and timeless design. From the racetrack to the streets, the 911 embodies the essence of performance and precision. Number 2, we have the Ford Mustang. A symbol of American muscle and freedom, the Mustang galloped onto the scene in 1964, igniting a revolution in the automotive industry. With its sleek styling and powerful engines, the Mustang captured the hearts of enthusiasts young and old. Number 1, we have the Ferrari 250 GTO. Widely regarded as one of the most beautiful and desirable cars ever built, the 250 GTO represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and craftsmanship. With its race-winning pedigree and limited production numbers, the 250 GTO commands admiration wherever it goes. But first, if you're enjoying our countdown, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive content.